Today I made these Mexican sprinkle cookies, you know, the ones that you get at the Mexican bakeries. Even when you walk into a Mexican store, you see them at the baking aisle. Those ones, they are so delicious, so flaky, so buttery. And this is how I made it. I added 2 sticks of unsalted softened butter to a bowl. Whisk that well, then add some white sugar, some powdered sugar. Whisk it again, and then with a spatula, you want to bring all that together. Adding in salt, baking powder, baking soda, and some pure vanilla extract. Gonna give that another whisk, and then add 1 large egg. Whisk that again, and with the spatula, you wanna just bring that together. Remember to use the spatula periodically. And then goes in the all-purpose flour. I'm gonna whisk this just a little bit, not until it's completely, because then I'm just gonna go in with my hand and then bring it all together. Once you have brought all that together, just dump it onto your surface and then knead it, I would say just about 3 minutes by hand. And this is gonna go back into the bowl. Let this rest for about 5 minutes. And now it's time to start making your cookies. I'm just using a scooper for this, and then I'm going to make it into a cookie ball. Dip these into sprinkles. The sprinkles I got at Walmart. Now, if you want to be specific and weigh these out the same, you can use a scale. I weighed mine each to be 63 grams. I'm going to continue to do all of them. And then we are definitely going to place these in the refrigerator. I'm going to cover it and just leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to just add these to my baking sheet. And these are going to bake for about 18 minutes. I left them for 18 minutes because I wanted them nice and golden brown. And do you see how nice and delicious and puffy these are? These were so good, you guys. And then I just let them cool down on the baking sheet for about 10 minutes and then transfer it to a wire rack to completely cool. Once they have completely cooled, I'm just going to put them on this pretty tray. Not only did these look so pretty with all those sprinkles, but they were super delicious. Taste just like they came from a bakery. And a plus, your house is going to smell amazing. Now, if you see the bottom is nice and brown, these are so buttery, so flaky. My daughter absolutely loves these cookies. A plus plus. Save this recipe. You're going to want to make these for sure.